Now we are going to discuss pericardium meridium, which is also known as PC. The polarity of pericardium meridian is yin, that you will find the points of pericardium meridium, the various points which lies on this meridian will be on the yin side of the body. The pertaining organ, like we are talking about pericardium, the couple organ is Sangio, or it's also called triple warmer. Connected sense organ is tongue. Energy time is 7 pm to 9 pm. And number of points are 9. Mu front point is Ren 17. Back shoe point is BL 14. Z cleft point is PC 4. Yuan source point is PC 7. Leo connecting point is PC 6. Jingwell point PC 9. Mother point PC 9. Sun point is PC 7. And horary point is PC 8. A very important point on pericardium medium we are going to discuss now, that is pericardium point 6, which is commonly used to help relieve nausea, upset stomach, motion sickness, carpal tunnel syndrome and headaches. This point is basically located 3 finger breadths below the wrist on the inner forearm in between the 2 tendons. This you can see in the figure as shown here. So you can easily put 3 fingers above your wrist and that point will come there. It's very important point. Indications are cardiac pain, palpitations, stomach pain, mania and withdrawal, epilepsy, pain and hypertonicity of the elbow and arm, heat diseases or malarial diseases. And there are some secondary indications like gastric reflux, then vomiting, diseases of the chest and ribs, hot, red face, red eyes, prolapse of the rectum, poor memory, lump or wind stroke. So all these are the indications. We should see that PC6 is an extremely popular and useful point. It's very helpful in treating insomnia and calming the Shen. It is also the point to use for nausea and vomiting. It can be used for any other condition related to chest. Leo connecting points of one meridian can communicate with 2 meridians. They treat diseases of the collaterals and can be used to treat chronic diseases, especially chronic diseases of Zhang Fu organs. Basically, clinically, Leo connecting points are often combined with Yuan source points in the treatment of diseases. P7, pericardium 7. It is located on the middle of the palm side of the wrist, in the depression between the 2 tendons, on or just below the crease of the wrist. Basically, it's used to reduce the energies. So you have to move your finger in the counterclockwise direction over this point. But you have to see that don't use when weak or low in energy, because it already reduces. If you have low energy, don't use this point. And effects are, it heals effects on the body of too much joy or emotion. If you have lots of joy or emotion, it heals that kind of emotion. It also diminishes nervousness. The indications of P7 are cardiac pain, palpitation, pain in the chest and hypochondrium, gastric pain, vomiting, maniac psychosis, pain of the heel. The functions are, it calms the Shen, clears heat in heart, opens the chest, regulates heart chi, harmonizes the stomach.